Large-scale communities are complex. Sprawling road networks, aging clubhouses, pools, and gated entry systems that need constant upkeep. Just to name a few of your long list of components that are deteriorating every day. Managing for future repairs and replacements takes more than a guess. It takes a solid plan. Hi, I'm Robert Nordlund, the founder and CEO of Association Reserves. We specialize in reserve studies crafted for the unique demands of large-scale communities. Our reports are accurate, easy to understand, and fully compliant with National Reserve Study standards and local laws. No guesswork, just real data, expert insight, and peace of mind. Whether you're facing aging infrastructure or planning ahead for major projects, we give you a funding plan that is a roadmap to a more stable and secure future. In the 39 years since we launched Association Reserves, we've grown to serve clients in all 50 states. Our team of 40 credentialed reserve specialists have completed over 100,000 reserve studies, each one helping boards and their managers make smart, confident decisions. Bottom line, you can count on Association Reserves to be your trusted and long-term reserve planning partner so you can fund honestly and avoid a crisis.